Welcome to my channel Crypto Anand. In this video, I am going to be talking about what is Anchor protocol. Is it a good investment? Why Anchor's crypto ANC coin pumped up to 850% in last 48 hours? Is this right time to invest or not? This is going to be a short video. Do not miss the content of this video. I will be explaining everything about Anchor protocol and giving tips in between the video. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you I am not your financial advisor. I am making this video only for educational purpose and entertainment. Do your own research before investing in any coin because crypto market is volatile and no person or technical charts can predict exactly what is going to happen. If you have come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. The Anchor Protocol (ANC) operates as a DeFi decentralized finance savings network. The system enables anyone to borrow stable coins on stakeable assets, improves lending transaction times, and pays depositors a low volatility interest rate. The goal of the project is to provide crypto users with a stable savings solution that is both easy to use and secure. What problems does the Anchor Protocol ANC solve? The development team behind the Anchor Protocol seeks to provide a relief for a variety of issues faced by DeFi and CeFi users. The network was built to help alleviate new user confusion and speed up onboarding. The network has no sign up requirements. Instead, you simply connect your wallet to begin accessing the features and services available. Gatekeepers. Getting a loan for a traditional financial system requires a lot of efforts on your part. Sadly, even if you meet the financial requirements for the loan, you may find your request denied due to reasons that don't have to be shared with you at any time. The Anchor protocol eliminates the gatekeepers from the lending process. You don't have to go to anyone and plead your case to a person who is just waiting to go on a lunch. Instead, borrowers simply need to meet the collateralization requirements to access the loan marketplace. High risk investment. Another major issue that Anchor seeks to reduce is high risk investments. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile. Some DeFi lending protocols lack in this area because they don't utilize stable coins as collateral. This creates a problem if your collateral drops below the liquidation threshold. Anchor protocol users enjoy low volatile yields on Terra stablecoin deposits, which eliminates this problem. Delayed payments. Another major drawbacks of the lending system in place is delayed payments. When you go to qualify for a loan today, in it can be a time-consuming process that requires you to provide a plethora of information. Even if you get approved, it can take weeks in some instances for the funds to be released. The Anchor protocol provides users with a better option. Funds are released as soon as you meet the collateralization requirements of the protocol. Benefits of Anchor Protocol and ANC Coin. When you examine all the benefits that the Anchor Protocol brings to the market, it's easy to see why users are making this switch. For one, there are no minimum deposits required to benefit from the features of the protocol. This strategy means that anyone can leverage the powerful staking and lending tools to secure passive returns. This is permissionless. The Anchor protocol provides permissionless access to public funds. There are no central groups to freeze or censor your account transaction. The protocol operates as pure code which eliminates all human biases from the lending equation. high yields. Anchor protocol offer high yields. One of the main benefits of the Anchor protocol it is high yield lending pools. Users can secure 20% API when they provide liquidity to this pool. When you compare this rate to the 0.03% earned via a fiat saving account, it's easy to see why people continue to seek out the protocol to improve their saving strategy. Now, let us discuss about why the price of ANC coin pumped overnight. The first reason is that the Terra Luna crashed very badly last week. Most of the users have lost millions of dollars in value with Terra Luna coin. Who have the crypto with no value have started investing their coin in Anchor protocol and decided to earn good 20% yields instead of selling off the coin at almost zero price and huge loss. Reason number two, perhaps no one on the internet or YouTube have told you this reason. ANC was listed on Yell Bank, one of the biggest exchanges on 23rd May, that is yesterday, 8 UTC of time. Whenever a cryptocurrency is listed on big exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Lbank, FTX, or KuCoin, the price is tend to increase massively for few hours or few days. After that, the price will drop as the short-term traders start taking profit and booking their sell order for huge profit around 50% to 500% in few hours of listing in big exchanges because they know when the coin is going to be listed on the big exchanges and they buy the coin and sell it within few hours for huge profit. This coin, ANC Crypto Coin, increased around 50% for the last 48 hours. Now, even now, it is around 150% increase. But remember, it has started falling. What I suggest to anyone who want to trade on ANC coin by seeing that the price is pumping and it is going to moon, don't think like that. Whenever a coin is listed on any big exchange, the price will pump for few hours or a day only. After that, the price will start falling. If you buy the coin when the price pumps or when the coin reached it high, the peak, if you buy at that time, after few hours of listing, the price will start falling down. Then you are going to lose your money and you may have to hold the coin for a long time for the price to increase. That's why I suggest always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, ANC coin, or any other cryptocurrency that you want to invest. Do your own research before investing. If you have come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.